everyone, it's Sydney. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I talk about all things faith and lifestyle, and today we're not talking about how to be healthy spiritually, but we're going to talk about being healthy physically. So we're going to be making some matcha lemonade. This is everything I have. I'm going to be trying to link it down below, but I picked this one up at Whole Foods. So matcha, they say, is like going to be the new coffee. It's really good for you. It's good for your skin, your hair, your digestion system. Like, there's so many pros to this thing. Like, it says, I think, 1 scoop of this is like just as good as drinking 10 cups of green tea. So this is like crazy good. Make sure you read up on it. I'll leave a link below about how good this stuff is for you. Starbucks is trying to sell it, everyone, but we're gonna make it in the comfort of our own home. So I've got the Vital Proteins one, and like I said, I think I'm gonna be able to link it below. If not, I got it from Whole Foods. So what we're gonna do is I have a little bit of lukewarm water in this little cup, and I'm gonna get 1 scoop of the matcha. So pretty big, and I'm gonna go ahead and tap off the excess. So you can drink this just as is, but I think it's kind of gross. If you're super healthy, like, go for it, but I'm not. I'm on my way. So what we're gonna do, like I said, we're in a little bit of lukewarm water, and I have this really awesome device. It is like a little frother. I got it off of Amazon for like $7 to $12. I can't remember. I know that's a big gap, but you definitely need one of these in your lives, because watch this. For any type of drink. Whew. Got some momentum. Look at it. It's mixing up. I don't even have to use my wrist. You know, no workout here. But it makes it really frothy and just like super smooth. Why did that just produce more water? I don't know. I'm confused. Anyways, we've got that. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to lemon first, right? Talking to my camera guy, aka my husband. So I've got this little thing, which is how I'm gonna get my fresh lemon. And I'm going to go ahead and squirt 1 full lemon. Super easy. This tastes so good. It's so refreshing. It's perfect for summertime. All right, gonna do the other half. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right. Squeezy, squeezy. Perfect. You could always do more, but I like just 2. And then I like to use 2 stevia packets. Make sure you're using stevia and not sugar. Some people might be able to drink it just as is like this, but I like, you know, if I'm gonna do it, I might as well go all the way. So I'm gonna add my sugar. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually use 3 packets, but I'm just gonna pretend I only use 2 for this video. But I don't think Tony, my husband, even drinks sugar in it, because he's crazy. So what we're gonna do again, I'm gonna mix it all up. Super easy, especially if you're doing this in the morning, you don't have much time. You definitely want to get this frother thing. It's really good for coffee if you don't have if you want to do like a cappuccino or something, anything like that. That device is awesome. I'm linking it below, so make sure you grab it from that link. But anyways, I'm going to now add in some ice cubes. Oh, don't worry about my hands. I'm drinking it. Just for me. Add that in there. And then I've got some cold water. Ooh. Oh yeah. And then here I'm just gonna kind of whisk that because I don't want it to go. Oh, I could just do that. Look at that. Perfect. Ooh, it's nice and cold. You maybe cut up 1 little lemon and like do that for Instagram. You know what I mean? Oh wait, never mind. Can't do that. But it looks really cute. Let me taste it. Oh, yeah. Another little tip. This tastes so good as is, but what I like to do also, I mean, this kind of takes away the health, maybe, I don't know, but something, whatever, just if you want to do this. You can get 0-cal, like, little, you know, so that you can put in your water to flavor it. If you get a raspberry or a strawberry one, you can put that in there and just like a little bit of it, and then stir it all up with a little frother, and it tastes like strawberry lemonade. But just as is, I know it's green, but I'm telling you, it tastes like lemonade. It's so refreshing. It's so good for you. So good to get your matcha in and just really enjoy it on a nice, beautiful summer day like this. So make sure you guys try this out. If you love it, go ahead and write me down below. I love to see your comments and how you like to do your matcha. I hope you really enjoy this video and you see some benefits, because I promise you, you will. Matcha is so good for you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!